नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका फिर से हमारे चैनल लॉ कुंभ वेयर लॉ मीट्स विजडम में आपका स्वागत है। देखिए, जैसे हमने कि पहले भी बोला था कि नाउ दिस चैनल पर्पस इज़ टू डिसेमिनेट द लीगल नॉलेज और टू ब्रिज द गैप बिटवीन द नॉलेज गेन ड्यूरिंग लॉ स्कूल्स एंड द प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द लॉ। तो इसी थॉट प्रोसेस को आगे बढ़ाते हुए अभी हमने गेमिंग लॉस का एक कोर्स शुरू किया था, दैट इज़ ऑन गोइंग नाउ। द अदर कोर्स इज ऑल्सो बीइंग लॉन्च्ड एंड विच इज़ pertaining to IPR disputes, how it has been handled in the courts and how the rights are being enforced. So this course is being launched today, and this would be helpful to the law students who want to explore their career in the intellectual property field. So the objectives of the course would be, as the course suggests itself, that first, understanding of the concepts. Second, what are the grievances of the owners of IPRs, the ways to protect the rights of creator, how the judiciary reacts to the dispute, whether there is involvement of police, whether police is required. Yes, as in other field, whether regulatory authorities are involved, and what kind of, we have judicial remedies, whether there is any administrative remedies are also there. So this is the basically the objectives of the course, and this would help the students to understand these basic things. See, everybody knows that we are running into the knowledge based economy. We know that knowledge is power. हम कितना भी बोल दें कि स्ट्रेंथ, बाहुबल बहुत पावरफुल चीज़ होती है, बट इन आवर हार्ट्स ऑफ हार्ट वी नो दैट नॉलेज इज़ पावर। अमेरिका आज की तारीख में इतना आगे क्यों है? उसका एक कारण है बिकॉज देयर IPR पावर इज़ वेरी वेरी रोबस्ट। जितने पेटेंट्स उनके वहाँ के इंस्टीट्यूट्स के पास हैं, उतना पूरे भारत, उनके स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के जितने पेटेंट्स होंगे वहाँ पूरे भारत में उतने पेटेंट्स नहीं हुए होंगे। आज के ही न्यूज़पेपर में है कि भारत का पेटेंट ऑफिस वर्क फ्रॉम होम पे चल रहा है, और हम लोग विश्व गुरु बनने की बात कर रहे हैं, और पेटेंट ऑफिस वर्क फ्रॉम होम पे चल रहा है। सो दीज आर द प्रैक्टिकल रियलिटीज़, but this is the, let us not digress. We have to concentrate on our topic. So knowledge based economy is basically you're creating something and you're saving it for the growth of the economy and for your own growth also. You're benefiting the society by your labor, and thereafter you want to explore yourself. You explore the expand the scope of the economy. देखो, अगर हम टाटा देखें, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में कुछ दिनों पहले से ही, कुछ सालों से ही एक सेपरेट IP डिवीज़न बनी है, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी डिवीज़न इन दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट। सो IP से रिलेटेड जो कमर्शियल केसेस होते हैं या और भी जो केसेस होते हैं IP डिवीज़न में ही जाते हैं। अगर रिट पिटीशन भी होती है IP डिस्प्यूट से रिलेटेड, दैट विल गो टू द बिफोर द IP डिवीज़न। So in the year 2023-24, around 1,000 cases were filed, 750 plus cases disposed, more than 500 cases disposed. So these are the realities that the things are being done, things are being going on, and IP is a very strong field to be protected and to be taken care of. So what in this I just want to give a brief idea that we will be getting concepts of the various aspects of intellectual property like trademark, copyright, patent, trade secrets, geographical indications, and etc. We will cover each topic day by day, and we will cover the judicial pronouncement pertaining to the each topics. Then you will be able to understand the topic in a much better manner. We will not be discussing, we will not only be discussing the IP topics, but we will be also discussing the court management of these topics, how these topics are taken to the court, and how the court interacts with the disputes, and how the disputes are being taken on initially, and how the final verdict come on the dispute that is ultimately gone before the court. And I hope that you will be, after completing this tutorial, you would be able to have the more better understanding of the IPR disputes. And whenever you try for joining any internship with the IPR firms, this course will be helpful to you. This course is totally free, so you people should not be worried about the monetary aspect. This is purely pro bono, as we have said that we don't want to get monetary benefit out of this channel. So you just come, attend the course, and ask questions if you want to, by way of putting comments, and I'll be replying to the course. And it's an ongoing exercise. It's not that you won't be able to, your doubts won't be redressed. It would be, I will read the comment and I'll reply to the comments, and we would be covering the entire journey of a IPR, how you get the IPR, how you get it registered, what is the reason for getting the IPR registered, and if there is a dispute, what kind of dispute, how to get the redressal of the dispute, and ultimately how the court reacts to the dispute, well, how you get the interim order, how you get the final order, what relief you can get at the interim stage, what kind of relief you get at the final stage. So this is the basically the entire circumference of the course, and I hope that you people would be very happy after attending the course. And whatever comments or suggestion you have, you should give it to me by way of comments, and I'll be upgrading and upscaling the course according to the needs of the students or of anybody who is interested, owners, if they want to, owners of the IPR, if they want to get the things registered, if they want to get things litigated. I'll be able to help the people out of the way in which we will interact in future. So this is the basic idea of the course. uh, from the next video we will be going on one by one with the different aspects of IPR, and we will be covering that in due course. Thank you very much. You can please share your comments on the video. Thanks a lot.